Hey, go!
We'll attempt this.
Frog leap, hacky sack, let's go.
Yeah, no.
Nope,
It's so hard to get a picture of this. Like, what the fuck?
You gotta keep your feet closed a little bit longer. I say it like I know how to do it. And you just wait for a second so we don't say it. Okay.
Alright, let's do this, Jeremy. We can do this.
Get it! Yeah!
Oh, you okay? Are you in pain?
I'm good.
How'd that one feel, huh?
Victory! Price of victory today.
We're getting this. I'm getting this. Again? Again. I want this more than you know.
Alright, hold on, hold on.
I'll adjust to you. Just
Alright.
go.
I can't even like see the hack.
Again? No, I hit it. I don't care.
Woo!